everybody? This is Johnny Snow in the building. And as you see, we have the Stribog and the Micro Draco. Stribog and the Micro Draco, and what I am looking at here is how long that strong arm brace is looking on the Stribog, and that is due to the fact that it does not slide all the way down. We have that much in there, so it is making the length of pull, the LOP, a little bit longer, and it is kind of throwing it off a little bit. So what I am thinking about doing right now is taking that tail hook off of my Mini. Micro, and putting it on the Stribog and putting the strong arm on the Micro, and see exactly what we're going to be working with. So here, I tell you what, all right, there we go. The switch has been made, and I have the strong arm and the Komodo tail on the Micro. Strong arm and the Komodo tail on the Micro. And of course, you guys know what that is. No bang, one bang, whole bunch of bangs. All right, and there's the Stribog with the tail hook on it. These things are hard to find. Those things are super hard to find right now. But yeah, I think, and that's the 3D printed part that cover up the barrel. But I think that it works. I think that it works. You guys let me know how y'all think it works, or should I put it back the way it was? Should I put it back the way it was, put it back the way it was, or leave it, you know? Just a real quick video because I saw something I thought that a change that needed to happen. So hit me in the comments, let me know what you think. All right, Johnny Snow up out here.